Sea stacks are pillar remnants of cliffs past, and they're super photogenic geological landforms. The ocean slowly carves sea stacks out of cliff faces, initially attacking and eroding away weak spots like faults or cracks. Over time, the cracks get larger and eventually turn into a sea cave. And eventually a sea cave opens through and becomes a sea arch. And whenever the arch collapses, you got a sea stack. This sea stack, the Old Man of Hoy off the coast of Hoy in Orkney, Scotland, is probably less than 250 years old. Here's a painting of it from 1817 when it still had 2 legs. People seem to love climbing sea stacks, and about 50 people a year climb the Old Man of Hoy. The tallest sea stack at 572 meters is Ball's Pyramid between New Zealand and Australia. But Ball's Pyramid is a volcanic stack. Still conventionally called a stack, but formed through volcanic activity rather than coastal erosion. Same story with this volcanic pillar called Lot's Wife, 400 miles off the coast of Tokyo. This nice pair of stacks here in the Faroe Islands are collectively called Drangarnir. Here's another angle for you. This one off the Russian Black Sea coast is called Sail Rock. It's only about a meter thick and looks kinda like a sail, so I think that's why they call it that. Eventually, a sea stack can collapse, leaving a chunk of rock near the surface called a sea stump. Old Harry here, a southern England sea stack, remarried when his first wife collapsed and became a sea stump in 1509. And today there are only 8 remaining stacks of the collection of stacks called the 12 Apostles in Victoria, Australia. There were only actually 9 of them when they were named, but one of them collapsed in 2005. Do you have a favorite sea stack?